are pleased to show you the 2017 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.